So I don't know if my last three videos were recorded with just my face on them and the sound, or if the screen was also included, because I just realized that my screen wasn't being recorded in the last video I recorded with ScreenFlow. Almost dropped the laptop. So if I missed recording the screen and you were able to follow my previous directions and you're sighted, there goes Periscope, and you're sighted, then you can, and even if you're blind, then you can actually tell people that you're able to install WordPress with your eyes closed. In this video, we're going to talk a little about themes and what themes can do to your website. Themes are what drive the look and feel of your site. They provide the colors, the layout, the background in most cases, and where the header images are. And they also determine how many menus your site may have. There are thousands of free themes available in the WordPress theme repository, which I'll show you here in a minute. And you can also purchase themes as well. Therefore, I can't provide a general video on how to manage all themes. But what I'll do is I'll get you going with one theme, and over the next couple of videos we'll get some visual aspects set up, and then you can experiment with it and find the one that fits your requirements. Now, I'm on the New Motor Club dashboard page.
Dashboard, New Motor Club, WordPress window.
And I just need to go ahead and re-expand my primary navigation menu. So what I'll do is I'll go out to my links list.
Links menu.
I'll type the word menu and I'll down arrow once.
2 item, collapsed internal link, menu.
I'll press VO space to select.
Collapsed internal.
And then I will, or to highlight, and then I will press VO space to select.
Link, dashboard.
And now I want to find the menu option for appearance. So I'm going to go back to my links list.
Links menu.
I'll type APP.
2 items. Approved.
And we'll down arrow once because the first one is for approved comments.
Menu pop-up link, appearance.
And we'll go ahead and press VO space once, which will select or highlight, and then we'll press it again, which will expand that menu.
Menu pop-up link. Press menu pop-up link, appearance.
And now we want to VO right arrow once to the
link, themes
option, and we'll go ahead and select that.
Press link, themes.
Now, on this page, there's a heading level 2 that says
Themes 3, add new search install themes, search install themes, cancel.
And so we'll want to go ahead and interact with this heading if you're a VoiceOver user. If you're a JAWS user or other alternative screen reader user, then all you need to do is continually down arrow to find the
Interact 3, link, add new
link, and we'll go ahead and select that.
Press link, add new.
Now on this page, we can go ahead and press tab, and again,
add,
and again.
Search themes, search text field.
And
the search results will be
simply type base WP.
No themes found.
Base WP because that's the one that I want to use.
Number of themes found, 200. Number of themes found.
And that was 2 words. And now I'm going to just use heading
Number
navigation.
of theme. Heading level 2, 2 items. Add themes, internal link.
And go to the next heading.
Heading level 3, base WP.
And we'll VO right arrow until we hear the word install.
Details and preview, dim. Heading level 3, manage issue-based magazine.
I apologize. We'll go VO shift space back up to the base WP heading.
Heading level 3, WP knowledge base.
So, from the heading level 2 add themes heading, we'll use heading navigation. We'll get to the
Heading level 3, base WP.
And we'll just select that link right there. That doesn't say link, but it says base WP.
Heading internal link, close.
And that opens a little pop-up. So now if you VO right arrow.
Internal link, previous. Internal link, next.
You can preview the theme, but we're looking for the
link, install.
button. So we'll go ahead and select that.
Press link, install.
Your site will take a moment to load, and then you'll have a heading that says
Heading level 2, installing theme, base WP 1.29.
And I'll VO right arrow so that way you can hear what this says.
Downloading install package from HTTPS. Unpacking the package. Installing the theme. Successfully installed the theme base WP 1.29.
Awesome. That's what we want to hear. So if you VO right arrow.
Link. Live preview.
So you can live preview.
Base WP.
You can live preview your site, or if you're via right arrow.
Link.
And
Activate.
that's what I want. Now, if you don't remember what our site looked like on before we activated this, then go take a look at the end of the last video, and you can observe what the site looks like. So I'm going to activate it.
Press link. Activate.
And now that it's activated,
New theme activated.
I'm going to go ahead and bring it up real quick. Now, it does look a little like the last theme that we had, except for if you via right arrow through the site, I'm going to just show you a couple of things real quick.
Heading level 1. Visited. Link. New Motor Club.
That's your site title.
Heading level 2. My new Motor Club blog.
Your site tagline.
Navigation to items. Heading level 1. Menu. Clickable.
That menu clickable was a button that said menu and widgets, and if you just press this, it will expand your menu.
Press heading level 1. Menu.
And if you via
Clickable.
right arrow.
Internal link. Skip to content. Visited link. Home. Link. Sample page. End of banner.
And that's hidden if you come back over to the heading.
End link. In heading level 1. Menu. Clickable.
And you click it again.
Press heading level 1. Menu. Click internal. End of navigation. Internal link. Skip to content.
See, there's just the skip to content and then
End of navigation.
But if you come over here to the heading again,
Heading level
click
1.
it to
Menu.
re-expand,
Press
you'll
heading.
see that it says
Internal link. Skip to content. Visited link.
home and
Link. Sample
page before it goes to
end of banner. Main one item.
So I'm going to go ahead and go back up to that heading and collapse that menu.
Heading level 1. Menu. Press heading level 1.
And just know that we will be able to customize it. Now, in the next couple of videos, we're going to be customizing your header, your background, your menus, and your widgets. So get excited about that. And if you want to get in contact with me, head on over to empoweringtheblind.com.